back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy. Sorry, I was just getting me a little mug for a little coffee that I'm not supposed to be drinking, but a little bit, you know,
Hey.
I need it. So anyway, guys, we're here together today with Cindy's Home Kitchen.
That's right.
For another episode, and I was thinking, I'm like, you know what? I had a friend of mine that taught me also during my younger years how to make this rice. It's from India. And she told me, if you really want to make this rice, just follow the instructions. It's very easy. And I'm like, okay, so what is it that you do? She said, well, first of all, you got to put your water in a pot. And I put my water there with a pot.
That's
like,
right.
That's like 6 cups of water I put. I rather put more water because if I have to take it out later, it's better to take it out than that. And then she said, well, you need oil to cook your rice. And we're using this is not organic, but this is extra virgin olive oil.
That's right.
You know, and it actually gives the rice, after it's done, it has like a different flavor to it, you know? Like more, kind of like more earthy. Yes, that's what it is. And more like that olive smell, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Exactly. So then, of course, everything, all rice, everything that you cook, deserves to put some salt. So I'm going to put that little bit because I'm going to taste it later. So put salt.
Booyah.
And of course, you know, I like to just, so that salt that I put, that was, you know, 2 tablespoons. You put your salt and your pepper, guys, accordingly to your taste. Because you're going to put all these items in there.
All right.
And what I'm putting is, okay, salt, pepper, and now I'm going to put some garlic
Let me see that.
powder. So this is like 1 tablespoon, see? So it's like a tablespoon of everything, you know? And then you taste it, and this is cumin powder. So
What's that for?
Of course, cumin, they use it in a lot of like Mexican dishes. They use the cumin. It tastes very woody. It gives it like a woody taste to the food.
Oh, yeah.
And actually like
Smells good.
Mediterranean. So they use it, like I said, this was a friend of mine from India. And of course, I like to put oregano. Oregano is just like, you know, leaves, herbs, and it gives it a very aromatic smell. You can smell that, Michael.
Oh, yeah.
You can put your nose up in there. Go on. What do you think?
Smells great.
And of course, now for coloring, we're going to use turmeric. Turmeric is very used a lot in India and Asia and all those, for stews, for soups, for coloring rice.
That's right.
And meats, you know, I mean, for whatever you want to use, you know. So that's more or less what it does. So I'm going to put it, and it kind of like stains. So like when you pour it, you'll see my hand is going to stay like that yellow probably for a couple of days before all that comes out.
That's right.
So let's see the coloring, because that's what I want to see here, Michael. Oh, can you put that down here so we can see here?
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that.
You see how yellow it is?
Wow.
See?
Let
So
me
what do
zoom
you
in
think?
on that, guys.
I think
Wow.
a little bit more color. What do you think?
A little more.
Yeah. So let's put a little bit more.
A little more of a...
Yeah. So like I said
pinch.
before, yeah, it is good for coloring, guys.
Yeah,
but
there you
be
go.
very, very careful because it will stain your clothes. It will stain your fingers. Like I'm gonna wipe it off so you guys can see. Oh no! What? Look, and I just left it there like for a couple of seconds, right?
Oh, yeah.
It came off, but if you look closer, can you still see a little
Yep.
yellow?
Yep.
Or no?
Yeah, you
do?
can. Yep.
Exactly. So that
It's
means
there.
a stain. Exactly. So be careful with the clothes because the stains on the clothes will not come out. But if you do use it and it gets on your clothes, just take a little bit of baby powder and put it up in there right on top of it, and then wash that, and you'll see the thing. You'll thank me. It will be gone, the stain. So let
That's
me just
right.
dry this. Okay. So that's my water, guys, with all the seasoning that we're gonna put for that, right?
Oh,
so
yeah.
what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come in with this spoon like this, and I'm gonna put a little drop. And it needs more salt and pepper, just for seasoning. So it needs a little bit more salt, because of course it has to cook and it has to have flavor, the rice. So that's another teaspoon of salt, sorry, like a tablespoon of salt. And again, we're gonna put pepper, because it has to have flavor before I go ahead and put the rice in. So the rice cannot go in until all these flavors are like all together. It's not still together, Michael. So also we're gonna put, guys, a little bit
Of that
white
vinegar?
vinegar. Yes, this
Oh,
is
yeah.
the white one, okay? You don't want to put, you want the white one because the white one has, doesn't have that apple flavor, you know? So it's, exactly.
That's
So
right.
It doesn't have like any flavor inside, so it will give it a great taste. So you want to get this one, okay? This is the white vinegar, and then I have, this is apple, but this is the white one. And then we have the other one. We have the apple cider, and there's all types of vinegars, guys. Okay, hold on a second. I gotta like, you know, make sure that my flavors are in. So you keep on putting flavors in, guys, okay? Until that tastes good enough for you to go ahead and put your rice in, because I have my rice, so check where my rice is. That's really good. My rice is right over there. We're
Look at
gonna
that.
put it in. I already washed it, so this is 3 cups, right, Mike?
That's right.
With 3 cups of rice. It's probably gonna be too much water for the rice, and I already know that, guys. But what I'm gonna do is
Add another cup.
No, I'm gonna put a little bit of adobo because I want the seasoning to come on point. You know, so I need like all those spices together there. You know, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put, you know, we can put this in because it has the same ingredients that we just put in there, and it doesn't have anything else greater than salt, pepper, and oregano. The Adobo Goya, the red one. So just a little bit like that on the top. I see, just like that, a little bit. And if you don't have this, just add a little bit more of salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and your cumin and your oregano. And I know this is going to be a lot of water. I can see that. See?
You can always put more rice
We can make it
in.
more yellow if you want, Michael. You know? I think we should put a little bit more.
Yeah, put some more rice.
That's not going to be... No, I don't want any more rice. No. Just put a little bit more cumin. You know? But no more rice, because that's 3 cups of rice, Michael. That's a lot of rice. And if I have a little bit, I'm only going to have like a cup. But I'm going to make a chicken with this, guys, you know? As you always... But I just wanted you guys, like, to watch me make this, right? Because it's really good and it tastes very, very delicious. So hold on a second. Okay. So like I said, the seasoning is perfect. You know, now it has enough flavor of everything. So what I'm going to do here... Be careful, Michael, because it's going to start jumping a little. I'm going to start taking the water out, because it's too much, and I don't like soupy rice. Do you like soupy rice, Mike?
Oh no.
You know those soupy rices that a lot of people, they like to eat it with all this, you know what I'm saying? It looks like you're eating some kind of like pate, right?
Yeah.
Like slushy, like mashed potato. No, you want to eat your rice nice and grainy and fluffy. My son James likes it like that. So what I'm gonna do, guys, this is drying. So as soon as it dries, we'll be right back, okay? So don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Guys, so it's drying, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put some foil paper. If you guys stay there with me, we can do it together. There I go. And you gotta lower the flame, as you can see how nice and yellow it looks.
Right,
So what I'm gonna do,
2.5.
guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of foil paper like that on both sides, just to cover the heat that's coming out. Turn it. There we go. And then you take your respective lid and make sure that the heat is not coming and the vapors inside, nothing is coming out. You want that to cook like it's supposed to cook.
That's right.
So we're gonna cover this, and I'm gonna turn it in 10 minutes, and then you guys will see that little video of me turning. I'm not gonna speak while you guys go and press that notification bell. So every time we do one of these videos, you guys get notified. You're like, okay, Cindy's home kitchen, she's gonna be there. And bam, I'm here. So you see, so I put the lid, and you don't want the vapors to come out. You know, you want all that real seal, because the more seal you have it and really nice and covered, the better that rice is gonna be. I'm just gonna turn that one off over there, and then if you're in a big burner like this, like me, with 3 cups of rice like you saw, okay, you're gonna leave it in the front, and we're gonna put it right here, exactly on 3. Okay, that will cook perfect right there. And you let that cook, and in 10 minutes, we're gonna be back, and then this other water that I took out of the rice, guys, I'm gonna leave it here because I might need it if the rice is a little bit too dry when I open it to turn it. I might need a little bit to just put it on top like that. So we'll be right back. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Don't drink and drive. And don't forget to come right back in 10 minutes, okay? Love you all. Just gonna turn the rice here.
Whoa,
wow,
look
look
at
how
that.
pretty. It's beautiful, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
So I'm just gonna turn it, guys, and I gotta be very careful because you know the bottom one turns into what? Con. That's right.
Turmeric rice.
No, not turmeric. It's kind of like Indian. Why don't you say just Indian, Michael? You know, Indian rice. Yeah. That better? Right? How pretty that looks.
It's very pretty.
Yeah, this is. See it? I mean, I used to eat this in my times. So many times when I was in high school. And then when I went to tech school. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil on the top. I'm going to close it for 5 minutes and voila. This is going to be done, okay? So it has to cook a little bit on the other side. The aroma of the olive oil is going to finish it cooking it. Really nice and pretty. Okay? I'm going to cover it. 5 minutes. And we'll be right back. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, so we're back. This is, oh, it smells so good, Michael. Smell
Wow.
it. Look how pretty it looks, guys. See?
Look at
I'm
that.
gonna take a little video, Mike.
A little picture.
I'm gonna take a video. I'm gonna turn it like that around. Go ahead. Video?
Yeah.
So let me stir it. It just looks real pretty, guys. Okay. So anyways, let me put some of this rice here so you guys can see how pretty it is. I like putting in these little tubers because it looks so nice and pretty in here. Oh, Michael, maybe you can have a bowl of this right now, huh?
Oh yeah.
How about that? Because you never want to eat the meat. So we'll give you the rice. And of course, you take this upside down, guys, okay? So, and here is our beautiful Indian yellow rice. Okay, just for you guys. I'm gonna take a little bit. Everybody has to eat a little bit of everything around here, right, Mike? There you go. Let's see the smoke coming up. Look at that. Wow. So hot at night. That's a piece of oregano. Look at that. Yeah, just amazing, isn't it? Okay, I'm gonna take. Delicious. Always tasted like that. Like I knew it was gonna taste. And with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. You guys don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us. Don't forget to press the notification button so you can get these videos, crazy videos that I like out of the blue. I go, okay, let's make a video. So anyway, this is very delicious. I'm gonna put it in my mouth. I'm gonna chew it. So I want you guys to get jealous. Hold on. Look at that smoke coming out. What do you think? Love you all. Over now. Don't forget to subscribe and don't drink and drive. Thanks for watching.